So yeah, for making this project you have to create index.html, style.css and JavaScript. So first of all you have to create div.container, and inside this you can create div.box, and inside this create another div, and in this div with type make sure you save the answer, and create div.queue. In this we can store our question, and create div.options, so we can store options inside here. So we can create input tag, also create label. So input id is same as the label for, and value is useful for checking whether the answer is correct or not. Now we can create 4 buttons: previous button, save button, next button and submit button, and also 8 on click. Now we have done with HTML. Move on to the CSS. First of all we can add font, and then in star we can reset margin, padding, box sizing and also add font family. In the body part we can add background color. In the container class we can add these properties: width, height, display, justify content and align item. Inside the box class we can add these all properties, you can read. This is for increasing the circle size, input circle size. Now dot option class we can add display block and margin top. Input and label cursor is pointer. Add some properties on button, and someone click on button then the color will be red, and these are some properties. So we have done CSS. Now move on to the JavaScript. We can create some variables, some required variables, and also add some audios. This loop will make our input unchecked in initial. Create question object, and inside this we can store our questions and their options. So yeah, we can create question and the options will like A B C D, and also add correct option. So yeah, now create I and store 0. Create question change function, and this function is useful for storing questions and option. Now call this function and create another function which name is next question, and which is helpful for moving into the next question. We can also increase the value of I, and here we can call and play the audio. Now we can create another function which name is previous question, and through this we can move on to the previous part. And yeah, now we have to count the correct answer. That's why we can create get data method, and here we can target by the get element by name. And you can see here there is op name. So yeah, we can apply for each function and check whether the answer is equal to the correct answer. If yes, then increase correct answer. We can create submit method, and here confirm do you really want to submit. If yes, then we can store these correct answer into the box dot inner text. So yeah, it's done. Now we can see again.